Decision trees in AI. Beginner level. Introduction. Artificial intelligence. AI. Systems often need to make decisions based on data patterns. One of the most intuitive and easy to understand machine learning algorithms used for this purpose is the decision tree. Decision trees are widely used in applications such as medical diagnosis, customer behavior prediction, fraud detection, credit risk analysis, recommendation systems. The algorithm works by breaking down decisions into a series of simple rules, similar to how humans make decisions. Because of their visual and logical structure, decision trees are considered one of the best machine learning algorithms for beginners. What is a decision tree? A decision tree is a machine learning algorithm that uses a tree-like structure to make decisions based on input features. In simple words, decision tree equals making predictions using a series of decision rules. Example concept. Input data means decision rules means predicted outcome. The algorithm splits the dataset into branches based on feature values until a prediction is reached. Structure of a decision tree. A decision tree consists of several key components. Root node. The root node is the starting point of the tree. Example. Is age greater than 30? Decision nodes. Decision nodes represent questions or conditions that split the dataset. Example. Is income greater than 50,000? Branches. Branches represent possible outcomes of a decision. Example. Yes means continue to next condition. No means different branch. Leaf nodes. Leaf nodes represent the final prediction or classification. Example. Approved loan. Rejected loan. Example of a decision tree. Consider predicting whether a customer will buy a product. Example decision process. Is age less than 30? Yes means buys product. No. Income greater than 50,000 means buys product. Income is less than or equal to 50,000 means does not buy. Example concept. Customer data means decision tree means purchase prediction. The algorithm learns these rules from the dataset. How decision trees work. Decision trees build models by splitting data based on feature values. Example concept. Dataset means choose best feature means split data means repeat process. The algorithm continues splitting until the data is well classified or a stopping condition is reached. This process creates a tree-like decision structure. Choosing the best split. Decision trees use mathematical measures to determine the best feature to split the data. Common measures include Gini index, entropy, information gain. Example concept. Feature evaluation means best split selection. These metrics help the algorithm choose the most informative feature. Decision trees for classification. Decision trees can classify data into categories. Example. Age income by product. 25-30,000 yes. 40-7000 yes. 35-4000 no. Example concept. Customer features means decision tree means buy, not buy. Decision trees for regression. Decision trees can also predict numerical values. Example dataset. House size price. 1-200-200. 1-500-250. 2003-00. Example concept. House features means regression tree means predicted price. Example Python code. Example decision tree model using Python. From sklearn. Tree import decision tree classifier. Model equals decision tree classifier. Model.fit. X_train. Y_train. Libraries such as scikit-learn provide tools for building decision tree models easily. Advantages of decision trees. Decision trees have several advantages. Easy to understand and visualize. Require little data pre-processing. Work for both classification and regression. Handle both numerical and categorical data. Because of these advantages, decision trees are widely used in machine learning applications. Limitations of decision trees. Despite their benefits, decision trees also have limitations. Prone to overfitting, sensitive to small changes in data, may create overly complex trees. Techniques such as pruning can help improve performance. Real-world applications. Decision trees are used in many industries. Healthcare. Diagnosing diseases based on symptoms and medical tests. Finance. Evaluating loan approval decisions. Marketing. Predicting customer purchasing behavior. Fraud detection. Identifying suspicious transactions. Concepts learned from decision trees. Understanding decision trees helps beginners learn. Checkmark how AI systems make rule-based decisions. Checkmark how datasets are split using features. Checkmark how classification and regression models work. Decision trees are one of the most intuitive machine learning algorithms. Simple definition. Decision tree. A machine learning algorithm that predicts outcomes by splitting data into branches based on decision rules. Final summary. Decision trees are powerful machine learning algorithms that use a tree-like structure to make predictions based on data. They work by splitting datasets into branches using decision rules until a final prediction is reached. Decision trees can be used for both classification and regression tasks and are widely applied in areas such as healthcare, finance, marketing, and fraud detection. Because they are easy to understand and interpret, decision trees are an excellent starting point for beginners learning machine learning and artificial intelligence.